So we're down here in Dulwich in South East London. This is another project all completed. So I'll just run through what we've done on this project. So we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Stripped all the paint off the piers around by the front door. We've repointed all of the brickwork in a natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So to give you a little close up of how it all looks all the way through. Lovely finish to the brickwork as always. What else we've done on this project is we've burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework and taken everything back to natural stone. All of the carvings and all of the stonework. I'll just zoom in and show you the detail and the work that's gone into this. So all of the window sills, all of the decorative capitals, all taken back to natural stone. The feature above the front door, absolutely beautiful, it's come out amazing. So what we do is we strip all of the paint off the stonework, like next door for example, and then we hone in it all back to its original features. So looking, look at the detail in that. Still waiting for the mark around the edges of the stone to dry out. It's dried out nice in other areas. Still waiting for it to dry a little bit here and now. All of the sills have all been taken back to natural stone. Done the plinth at the base of the property with the nice new period air vents. All of the bases all restored. All of the, if you look at the detail up there, it takes such a long time to remove all of the paint and get it all off and hone it all in, but the results are fantastic. Also done new guttering on here, new fascia boards, soffit and guttering, and just a new downpipe to finish off, and then decorated all of the woodwork, the windows, and then decoration to the front door. So now we're looking at doing the back of the house for the customer, decorating all the windows first and looking at possibly the brick cleaning and repointing. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.